I guess this is going to be the vibe we're going for, which is the absolute fail. What you saying, guys and gents? Welcome back to my YouTube channel where we live life the affordable way. We are back with another lock maintenance video. It's been a while, but we are here and we're gonna get started. So as you can see, my locks look very crusty, and reason being is I just not too long take out my lock extensions. So as you can see, there's a little bit of dirt at the roots. Don't worry, we can get all of that, but we can dye our hair first. So yeah, I'm just doing a length check, let y'all know. Listen, your girl locks been growing. She been growing, but I want to add a little bit of color to these babies today. So we're gonna go in with the Textures and Tones lock hair dye. Well, not lock hair dye, hair dye. This is in the color Natural B. I didn't want a black look. Like I said, I just wanted a little bit of color. So even if my whole hair don't take, I still would be satisfied, with everything. So this is me adding all the stuff out of the box. So this is one, the liquid that you put inside the bottle. This is the bottle that we're pouring the liquid in. And then we got the conditioner. Now y'all know we don't use no conditioner on the side, only hot oil treatment, so we don't need that. Now I'm just gonna unscrew the bottle and pour the liquid that was sent, and it's very easy and very simple to follow. The instructions are literally on the bottle. You have one and you have two. You can't go wrong with that once you come. So I'm just pouring it in, and this liquid here is the liquid that makes our hair go black, I guess, or when these two chemicals mix together, it turns black. All I know is you shake it up, boom, you got your hair dye. Now I'm going to section off my hair. Now for the easiest way, I always section off my hair into 4 sections, and I just want to let y'all know, the longer my hair get, the more harder it is to do, like seriously. But thank God I'm trained, like I've already trained myself to just section my hair from 4 sections and do my hair in 4 sections. That's really the easiest way to do it. Trust me, you go section by section, you will get the job done. Now I'm just putting on my gloves because y'all know this is a messy process. And then we're going to add a hair dye in. Now I'm not adding this hair dye in no particular way. This is not no professional video. This is just a DIY, do it yourself, how I do my hair dye. And this is literally my second time doing it, and I'm okay with that. So I'm just going row by row. So I always go row by row, and then I'll go all over, and then I will move to the next section. So I'm just gonna put some music over the video whilst I do each section, and I'll be right back.
guys will hear this, that you used to go up on Mulholland Drive and park
every night
and visualize seeing yourself as...
Yeah, I would visualize,
This is when you were broken poor.
Right, having directors interested in me and people that I respected saying, I like your work or whatever that is, and I would visualize things coming to me that I wanted or whatever. Drive home and think, well, I do have these things. They're out there. I just don't have a hold of them yet, but they're out there. I wrote myself a check for 10 million.
Okay, y'all, so we've already done our section, so now I'm just taking the rubber bands out of each section, touching up as needed, and now we're gonna go in with a plastic bag. Now y'all know I can use whatever I got. I didn't have no shower cap, so plastic bag will be the next best thing. And if you know, you know. Plastic bag works just as good in my opinion. So yeah, I'm just putting all of my locks in the plastic bag, and then I'm gonna tie it, and I'm just gonna leave this on for about 15 minutes. Okay, so we're gonna go with Shea Jamaican Black Castor Oil Shampoo. Y'all know that's my go-to shampoo for every wash day. So we're just gonna add a little bit of water on our locks, loosen everything up, soften it up, and I feel like this way helps the shampoo to line up so well. Y'all was Okay, now we finished washing our hair. I did wash it a second time, but I didn't record it. So what I'm doing is just checking my locks, making sure my scalp is clean, checking my length, making sure I have a little bit of color. Like I say, it was natural brown that I decided to go for, and I just wanted a little bit more color added to my locks, and I was very pleased about the color that I got, because as you can see, I had a very rusty brown, so now I have more like natural black, which I'm happy for. So now I'm going to add some pipe cleaner curls to my hair. Now pipe cleaner curls, I call this a pipe cleaner curl fail. However, my hair was curly when I take it down, as you'll see to the end if you keep on watching. But what I'm doing is I normally retwist and I add some mousse, and I'm basically rolling my locks onto the pipe cleaner. And I wanted some curls because my birthday was coming up. Now I will go in detail and make a detailed video about this, but as for now, I was just experimenting with my hair, and it wasn't until I got to the very end, like the front, is when I actually learned how to curl it with sense. As you'll see, like the back had some missing. I had to go back and add some. A lock was falling. Like so much was going on with this pipe cleaner curls, but it still came out gorgeous in the end. But next time, I just, instead of using two locks, I'll use one lock. But that's just my personal preference. So I'll let the video play while you see what's going on. Okay, so now all of our pipe cleaner curls are added and are in. And I basically wore this like this for 3 days, literally. Like the style was cute, you know, it wasn't bad. Now let's take them out.
Do you all read about this or hear this? That you used to go up on Mulholland Drive and
Yeah,
park
every night.
and visualize seeing yourself as
Yeah, I would visualize.
this is when you were
visualize,
broken poor.
right, having directors interested in me and people that I respected saying, I like your work or whatever that is, and I would visualize things coming to me that I wanted or whatever. Drive home and think, well, I do have these things. They're out there. I just don't have a hold of them yet, but they're out there. I wrote myself a check for $10 million for acting services rendered, and I gave myself 5 years, or 3 years maybe, and
Well, we curl up. I am calling this a pipe cleaner's curl fail because it's not looking like how I wanted it to look. Like we curl up and everything, but child, I don't know. I guess this is going to be the 5 we're going for, which is the absolute fail. Bear with me, Lord. Bear with me. This is an absolute fail. This looks just like if I put a bar roll in and take it out. I think now I'm supposed to have some curls and the whole 9 yards. I don't have it right now, but the big look is still giving.